Good morning. Today our lesson is about backformation. Backformation is the process of deriving words by removing what is thought to be a suffix from an existing word. So it can be a little complex if you think about that. But also backformation, to make it easier, backformation is when you got a noun that already exists, and then you will create a verb from this noun. So this is, as we can see in the example, that we got the word parallel, and the word pedal results from parallel, and the word burgle from burglar, and the word, what is a verb, back from beggar, and orate from orator. So as you can see, those verbs that we can see over here, those verbs come from the nouns. So this is basically what is a backformation. Even if you can see at the example, backformation, it could be by itself as an example, because we can say the bad format, what would be the verb that it comes from, obviously from backformation, what is a noun. So in here we got some examples that I'm telling you. What is babysit, that it comes from babysitter. And we got edit, where it comes from editor. We got lace, that it comes from lazy. We got enthus, that it comes from enthusiasm. So as you can see, from a noun we can create a verb, what is a new word, and this is actually what backformation is. So I hope that you can understand and it will be helpful for you. So that's all. Thank you very much.